I'm going to show you how to program a button in TD Snap. This is the motor planning page set. You're going to first go to the upper right corner and select the pencil. Then what you're going to do is, if this bottom bar comes up minimized, select the caret in the lower left corner to expand. You're going to navigate to the page that you want to add a button. So I'm going to go to the food and drink page. On here, one of my favorite things to eat are cookies. So I'm going to add cookies to this main page. So I'm going to select any button location. If I minimize this again, you can see that there are lots of buttons. So I'm going to add it right here. So I'm going to select that button, select the caret. Now it gives me all the details for this button. The button label is what is going to show underneath the picture. So in this example right here, it's juice. If I wanted to have it say something else, like I want juice, I would change that and put that in the message. So for this button, I'm going to do cookies. Again, if I wanted it to say something different than the label, I could say um, but chip cookies, perhaps. To add a picture, it will automatically add one, but you can also hit the search button and you can see all the different pictures. In this case, I do want chocolate chips, so I'm going to change the picture and hit done. There's also a camera button if you are on a device. Right now I'm programming on my computer, but if you have a device, this will take you to the camera on the device where you can take a picture. And this is particularly helpful for when you're taking pictures of specific items that there may not be a picture in the library for, or people is a common one where you may take pictures. The button action is, what does the button do? In this case, this button is automatically set to speak and insert message. That means it's going to speak whatever this message is, and it's going to insert that message up into the message window if you have a message window. There are other actions, but for simply programming a button, this is the only action that we will need. If you want to change the style of the button, you can click over on the style. Maybe I want the button label sometimes to be smaller. If I have something like a name that's longer, sometimes I need to change this. So I would unselect match page set and maybe pick 100% or 75%. Sometimes that can be helpful for individuals that have visual impairments and may need a larger picture as well. In this case, I'm just going to simply keep it the same as the rest of the pages or text on this page. When I'm done editing that button, if I wanted to add another button, I could select on another button and keep adding. Or what I can do, I don't want that button, so I'm going to hit delete. Or what I can do if I'm done editing that button is just select the done in the upper right corner. And that is how you add a button.